Welcome to the Qualzy Observers training video. We're excited to guide you through everything you need to know to observe a community. To begin, click the link in your Observers invitation email, which will take you directly to the community. This is your homepage where you will find all the community activities. Pay close attention to the blue and green indicators. They provide valuable insights into the total number of posts and recent activity, helping you stay updated. The blue indicator will tell you the total number of posts in each activity and activity group, while the green indicator will show you posts from the last 24 hours. This green indicator is a great way to find any new content. Clicking the activity tile will take you into the activity where you can view the participant posts. From here, you can use the bar at the top of the page to navigate between different activities. We offer a few tools to allow you to engage with the moderators and your fellow observers. The first is commenting, which is great for bringing a moderator's attention to a post. Use this to let them know that you've seen something interesting or would like them to probe for more detail. All your comments will only be visible to the moderators and other observers. Your comments will never be shown to the participants. The filter function makes it easy to view posts from different segments. To use the filter, select the segments you want to filter on and click the green filter button. You can also use the text search to find posts. For example, searching for the word Tesla will display all posts that mention Tesla. You can also help the moderators by reporting any abusive posts or comments, which will get flagged for a moderator to review. You are now equipped with everything you need to seamlessly navigate Qualzy, effectively engage with moderators and your fellow observers, and maximize your impact as an observer.